Hi everyone, welcome back to Modern Pinoy Cooking. Did you want to know what I just added into this epic dish? Well, stay tuned because I'll show you in just a second. But first, we're going to start preparing our aromatics. Starting with some garlic. We're going to smash this up just like that. And we're going to mince this up. Guys, tinola is not complete without ginger. Alright, let's chop this up. And we're also going to use some red onions. Chop this up as well. And let's prep our chicken. Guys, if you're new to my channel, I post weekly modern style dishes. And if you like this dish, please give it a like. Share this with your friends. Also subscribe to my channel and hit that bell so you won't miss a thing. I'm also adding 2 pounds of chicken wings because I want my soup to be extra flavorful, because I don't usually use chicken broth or anything like that. Alright, go ahead and saute our aromatics. Go ahead and add our garlic. Give this a quick mix. And we're going to add our dark meat first. I'm going to sear this for 2 minutes before I add in all our chicken wings and white meat. Okay, let's season this with salt and pepper. And I'm going to give this a quick stir. Cover this for 3 minutes. We're gonna go ahead and give this a good mix again. And I'm going to add 10 cups of rice water. And we will boil this for 30 minutes on high heat. We're going to prepare our green tea with honey, lemon, ginseng. We just need 1 bag, guys. I hope everyone is doing well and staying safe and being healthy. Guys, this dish is really healthy, guys. You should give this a try. Okay, guys, another secret to this tinola dish is our Oriental grassroots Korean soup secret. It's not a secret anymore because I'm showing it to you guys. Anyhow, okay guys, we are going to use the whole bag. Oh wait, did you guys notice that? The jujus are pretty small. So I'm going to add 3 more of the big ones that I have. This has been boiling for 5 minutes. We're going to add in all our secret ingredients in there. Okay, let's add the green tea. And I'm also using organic ginger powder. Just a little bit of this because it goes a long way. So I'm only going to add at least a teaspoon in there. Alright, so we're going to cover this up and cook that for 25 more minutes. Alright, this is optional. I'm going to add some trumpet mushrooms. Let's slice this up. And we're going to use some baby bok choy. Okay guys, I can't find papaya, so I'm using chayote. At least 3 of this is enough. Oh, and make sure you take the seeds off. And at this point you can add some fish sauce. And after that, we're gonna go ahead and add our moringa leaves, or we call this malunggay, along with the banana peppers or Anaheim peppers or whatever peppers you prefer. And we're gonna go ahead and add our bok choy. Cover this up so get that steaming action in there. Okay, let's go ahead and saute our mushrooms. I just add a little bit of olive oil in there. I'm also adding a tablespoon of butter, and we'll just cook this for a minute. Add some salt and pepper and it's done. And after that, quick mix, set this aside. Let's go back to our tinola. Look at that, guys. That's perfectly cooked. I don't know about you guys, but I can smell this. I am getting really hungry. I just want to eat this with really hot steamed rice and drink all this broth and be happy. That's all. Hey guys, that's it for today's video. If you got this far, I'm pretty sure you like this one. So what are you waiting for? Give it a thumbs up and share this with your friends. And as always, see you guys on the next one. Bye.